I'm Dahlia from Wish.
Hello, I'm Asa from Wish.
Wait a minute. Have you forgot something? You better go and get it.
Okay, let me go get it.
Yeah, Asha's just going to go and get something. Wait, scissors and... Oh my goodness, what are these? Wow, dolls of us?
Yeah.
This is so awesome. Okay, guys, so the main objective of today's video, we got some Wish dolls. Okay, Asha, can you try seeing some dolls?
Oh yeah, this is me and this is you.
Yeah. So this king is King Magnifico, and he has a wish. And this is the Queen Amaya, and here's the goat, Valentino. This is you, Asha.
Yeah.
This is me, Dahlia.
No, who's this?
And that one in the middle is, see that yellow thing? It's a star.
Yeah, it's Asa's star. You mean my star.
Come on. Let's go and open it.
Hey, give that scissors to me. First I will...
Wait a minute, there's a hole in the back. Let's go and grab it.
Which hole?
See these green. Come on, you can go and open it. Now this.
Other thing.
I'll just tear this. Come on.
Why? Here we go. Open time. Oh, I got one. Looks like we gotta go. I got some more scissors to help us. Oh, I got this open. Hey, put the bananas here. Okay, Dahlia. Oh, it's getting good.
Asha, are you doing good in here?
Yeah, a little bit good.
Let's go break this open. Hopefully the king isn't mad at us for doing this.
The king
This way.
The king is mad.
But luckily he got punished instead of me. Oh, look at all this. Wait, maybe there's something we could do with the backside. Wait. Okay. First of all, look. Here's a wish. And wait, let's open the star. Wow, look at it. Wait a minute. Dahlia's glasses
I'll get it.
are loose.
Okay, Asha. Hold it. Again?
Now, let's go to the back side. Okay. Now this one too. Okay, how's it going there?
Yeah.
Is it good? Look at this. Now we open Valentino the goat.
Yeah.
It's the king's magic staff. What's in there? With everything else.
What's that, Valentine?
Okay, the king's face and
I'm gonna try taking off some. Okay, taking off me. That's me. Now take off me.
look at that. I finally opened Magnifico for Dahlia. Okay. And Dahlia.
Yeah. Hey, come here. This Dahlia
Yeah.
looks like
Okay.
taking her
Now
glasses
Asha's taking
off.
upside down. Wow.
Oh, that's me.
Mhm.
Yeah, of course that's me.
Hey, look at that. See what I found.
Hey, that's me. Give it to me.
My last doll, Queen Amaya. She's got to be opened.
Yes, he's not a bee. Guys, look, this is me.
Asha. All we need to untangle is Queen Amaya.
upside down.
Yeah, that way it's easier for the shoes. And guys, I'm almost finished with this very long and hard.
Also looks cool, alright.
Her hair's stuck.
Oh no.
Time to untangle her hair. Hey! All the wishes don't belong to you, King Magnifico.
They're mine.
Hey! Quick! Take the wish! Wait, how do you talk? Well, because of that star.
I'm the star. You will be mine, star.
Oh no, the star's getting captured inside the sticks! Oh no! What is happening? Oh no! Why you become so evil?
Because that's why I want it.
Hey, all the wishes really don't belong to you. I think that Asha girl is right. We must talk to King. Yeah, we must. I'm here to protect everyone. And I'm here to steal all the wishes from the evil bad king.
Is this wish that you want?
Oh my goodness, let me take this out. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yes, now this is in good hands with me. Get trapped, King! Oh no, it's not getting trapped and you're not allowed to use
I
it.
have extra fun power. Got you.
Come on, let me take this wish back. Hey, Dahlia, help me become taller. Oh,
You got it.
oh, I got it. Okay, let me.
Are you looking for this little guy?
Hey, let me take it this time. Hey, not fair. Wait.
Hey, Mama, let's restart.
Okay. Oh no. The star. I can't reach it. I can't.
See?
Oh no. Yes, I did it.
X.
Oh no. I didn't know the wish. Okay. The king finally got trapped inside the magic staff. And they all lived happily ever after, giving the wishes all to the people who wish them. The end.
Guys, let's play.
Okay, me and Asha will continue playing with the dolls. And anyway, bye-bye. Make sure you like and subscribe to Ava's channel.
Bye.